In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change the size of your PowerPoint slides. Whether you're preparing for a professional presentation or designing slides for a personal project, knowing how to adjust your PowerPoint slide size can be incredibly useful. This skill allows you to customize your presentation to better fit different screens and purposes, whether it's for a widescreen display, a custom print format, or optimizing for web use. Let's dive right in. First things first, you want to get your PowerPoint program up and running on your computer. It's a straightforward step. Just locate the PowerPoint application on your device and open it. If it's pinned to your taskbar or in your start menu, that should make it easier to find. If you're having trouble locating it, you can always use the search function on your computer to find Microsoft PowerPoint. Once you have PowerPoint open, the next step is to open the specific presentation you want to work on. You could be starting a new project or refining an existing one. Either way, you'll need to access your file. Navigate to the File menu located in the upper left corner of the screen. From the drop-down options, click on Open and locate your presentation file. If it's a recent project, it might be listed right in the Recent Documents. If not, browse your computer's folders to find where you've saved it. Now that your file is open and ready, let's focus on adjusting its size. Look towards the top of the PowerPoint window. You'll see a series of tabs. We're interested in the one labelled Design. Click on it to reveal a new set of options tailored for designing your slides. This is where PowerPoint packs all the tools you need to make your presentation look just right. In the Design tab, direct your attention to the right side of the ribbon. Here you'll find an option named Slide Size. This is the button you need. The term ribbon just refers to the strip of tabs and buttons at the top of the PowerPoint window, by the way. Click on Slide Size, and you're one step closer to customizing your slides exactly the way you need them. Upon clicking Slide Size, you're presented with several options. PowerPoint typically offers a couple of preset slide sizes to choose from, such as Standard, 4:3, and Widescreen, 16, 9. These are the most common slide sizes, suitable for a variety of situations. However, there may be instances where these predefined sizes don't meet your needs. In that case, look for the option labelled Custom Slide Size. Selecting this will open a new dialog box. In the Custom Slide Size dialog box, you have the liberty to define the precise dimensions for your slides. Whether you need a specific size to fit a unique projector screen or a custom dimension for a printout, this is where you can set those numbers. You'll enter your desired height and width, and PowerPoint will adjust your slides accordingly. Now, it's important to understand that changing the slide size might affect how content appears on your slides. Depending on how drastic the change is, items might be shifted, stretched, or squished. PowerPoint does its best to automatically adjust your content, but it's always a good idea to review your slides after altering the size. You might need to reposition or resize some elements manually to ensure everything looks just right. Finally, once you've chosen your new slide size and made any necessary adjustments to your content, don't forget to save your work. Go back to the File menu, click on Save or Save As if you're opting to keep a copy of the original dimensions as well, and there you have it. You've successfully customized the size of your PowerPoint slides. In summary, adjusting the slide size in PowerPoint is a simple yet powerful way to tailor your presentation to exactly fit your needs. Whether it's adhering to specific requirements for a presentation display, optimizing for digital platforms, or preparing print materials, knowing how to change the slide size can make a significant difference in how your work is received. Now, go ahead and experiment with different slide sizes to see how it transforms your presentations. And remember, practice makes perfect. The more you familiarize yourself with PowerPoint's design capabilities, the more creatively you can use them to your advantage. Thank you for joining me in today's tutorial on how to change your PowerPoint slide size. Stay tuned for more useful tips and tricks to enhance your presentation skills.